I have an important question for you and possibly a life-changing solution. Why do people stay in jobs, relationships, and situations that they don't love? It's because they fear uncertainty. Whatever it is in your life that you're not happy with, there's no such thing as uncertainty if you're taking control. So if you aren't happy with what you're earning, the hours you're working, what you're doing for a living, if you're exhausted, if you're just not happy in your life, I do have a solution because I was in your shoes 5.5 years ago. I was an investment banker for 25 years. You may have seen me on other ads or talk shows like CEO Money, where I talk about how people can change their lives. I left a 25-year investment banking career to go after my dreams. Like you, I was very unhappy in my position. It doesn't matter how much money you make if you're truly unhappy with your life, if you don't have a life, if you're stressed out. If you can relate to this, or if you're struggling financially to make ends meet and you never imagined you'd be in that position, I have a solution for you. I quit my 25 years and went after my dreams of being a professional writer. I became a best-selling, award-winning author with a television movie and several other award-winning books. But I had to pay my bills, and I wanted to get out of that unhappy situation, like 85% of the people out there who despise their jobs. Now, as an investment banker, I knew that we had positive, legitimate options, not the get-rich-quick schemes, but legitimate educational platforms that could allow me to switch careers and control my life, not worrying about my income anymore, and not allowing my portfolio to sit someplace at the mercy of the markets. So I sought out a business education system. You've probably seen a lot of ads like this. Why? Because a lot of people are bucking the system. You see, I launched several internet companies that now earn more money than I ever did as an investment banker. Why? I'm using technology for good. I'm going after the things that I love, and when you do what you love for a living, well, you flourish. I have freedom. I get to travel. I'm not exhausted, and every morning I love what I do for a living, and I get to help people every day. Now, this might seem like a far-off dream for you, but I guarantee you that this is not just the wave of the future, but this is what thousands and thousands of people are doing every day. They're learning how to use technology to empower themselves. We have every walk of life because this training system can teach anybody how to create an online business from scratch, step by step, but most of all, you have support the entire way and ongoing. And if you get the proper training, even if you're an employee right now, you will learn how to become an entrepreneur. You can switch that employee mindset over to a business owner. You have every option available. The only investment you have to make right now is in yourself. Commit to this business education system. Learn how to create an online business and get the kind of training and support that you've never seen before out there, because it's a new world and everyone knows that technology rules. Get on board with it now, but use it for your certainty. Create your future. Don't wait till somebody tells you that you've been replaced by artificial intelligence or they're scaling back because they can't compete with companies online. Don't wait for that day. Prepare yourself for amazing things. I'm Landria Onkka. You may have seen me on my popular YouTube channel. I'm changing lives, and it feels really good. There's a free workshop series that explains how all of this works from my mentors, my trainers. Click somewhere here on the screen, and you can sign up for a workshop series that explains how does it work? How long does it take to set up a business and start to earn? What is required? And what are your options as far as what kind of business you can set up online? All of this is explained for free. You just click somewhere here on the screen, sign up, and if you don't like it, you unsubscribe. Thanks for listening, and I hope to see you on the other side. If not, don't wait to go after your dreams. Take care.